Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own YouTube channel. So let's dive right into the video. The first step is to download the YouTube app and create a Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, you go to Google, type in gmail.com, you scroll down, you see create a Gmail account, you click it, create an account, your first name, your last name, then you click on next. It takes you to your birthday, you fill in the details, next, you fill in the username you want to make use of. Input your password, confirm your password, and then you input your number. They'll send you a code, input the code, then you have your Gmail account. Next step, you go to YouTube, click on the U button, sign in, then continue. Input the new Gmail account you have just created and fill in the details, the phone number or the Gmail account, and also your password. And there you have it, you're finally signed in. Then you click create a channel up there, you click the button up there. Then it takes you to this page where you have picture, name and handle. Then you click the photo that you want to make use of. Yes, now let's create our YouTube banner. To create your YouTube banner, you go to Canva, you type in YouTube banner. You have different options there for you. So you click what you want your channel to be about. So I click this and then I just replaced the picture. You click on replace, you put in the picture you want. I've changed it. I changed the name to my name and also changed it to tech review because that's what I want my channel to be about. You remove that. If you want it, you can keep it. Then you download the image. Then you go back to YouTube and click on the image that you have just created for your YouTube banner. For your description, you can make use of ChatGPT. You go to Google, click on ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will generate a description for your YouTube channel. You input what you want it to generate for you. Then after that, you copy it back to the description box in your YouTube channel. You paste it there and then do all the changes that is required. You modify it to how you want your description to look like. That's all on how to create a YouTube channel. Now you can create a short, upload your video and everything. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.